Welcome to the company Truck and Tank Cleaning Tank. We are a company specialized in the internal cleaning of tanker trucks. With the new installation, we can handle everything. We can wash more trucks now compared to the old installation. And we have full confidence in Service Van Dam, so that will be fine. We are open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. The drivers always arrive unannounced depending on their last load. We have various cleaning programs. We try to provide good service. We have 3 wash bays, each with 6 cleaning heads and steam injection. And every wash bay has a dryer, and we can clean all food products. It now meets the latest standards. We generally have short waiting times. We have had a long-standing partnership, and it was a new project for him as well as for us, and we gave him the chance to prove himself. With this, we can set everything up and also monitor how much water we use per wash bay, the water temperature, the water pressure, and the pre-pressure for the pumps.